What if I told you intelligence isn't fixed? That you could begin training your brain to become more powerful, quicker, and sharper right now? These are not only pointers. The smartest minds in the world follow these practices, which have psychological support. Now let's explore ways to genuinely increase one's intelligence. Here at Psyche Bites, psychology and everyday life collide. We're dissecting 7 effective behaviors today that can improve your IQ not only in the classroom but also in your social and emotional life. This has nothing to do with IQ exams. It concerns decision-making, mental performance, and how to train your brain like a muscle. Let's get started. 1. Read every day. Feed your brain. Daily readers had superior cognitive flexibility and longer memory retention, according to research from the University of Edinburgh. Don't only scroll. Read about topics other than psychology, history, and science via books, articles, and research. Your mental library grows as a result of reading, and curiosity is the foundation of intelligence. 2. Ask questions, especially why. The most inquisitive minds pose the most queries. "I have no special talent," Einstein declared. "All I have is intense curiosity. Analyze rather than memorize. Rather of agreeing to the challenge. Curiosity breeds insight, and intellect is built on insight." 3. Limit mindless consumption. Rest, not noise, is what the brain needs. Scrolling endlessly breaks your concentration. It decreases memory retention and shortens attention span, according to studies. An audiobook, TED Talk, or podcast can take the place of an hour spent passively staring at a screen. Make your feed better. Improve your mental state. 4th, train your brain like a muscle. Not only are puzzles like Sudoku and chess or apps like Lumosity entertaining, but they also help to develop cerebral networks. Regular brain training improves working memory, processing speed, and fluid intelligence, according to Harvard neuroscientists. Train every day, even for just 10 minutes. Big progress in small stages. 5. Write it down, then explain it. The Feynman technique, as psychologists refer to it, states that you don't comprehend something if you can't express it well. Write down what you have learned. Dissect it. Instruct it. Make it simpler. Writing creates memory, not simply preserves it. 6. Surround yourself with smart people. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, Jim Rohn once stated. Being in the company of bright, inquisitive people improves your thinking. Participate in discussion groups, masterminds, or forums. Iron sharpens iron. Intelligence does the same. 7. Reflect daily. Intelligence needs space. Allow time for your brain to process. Deeper learning, self-awareness, and emotional intelligence are all enhanced by reflection. Before going to bed, inquire, what did I discover today? What presented a difficulty to me? What motivated me? Quietness isn't meaningless. It is mental acuity. Thus, keep in mind that intellect is not a gift. It's a discipline. Better habits, not more time, are what you need. Let's review. Read daily. Ask deeper questions. Consume mindfully. Train your brain. Write and explain. Level up your circle. Reflect with intention. Build your intelligence one habit at a time. If this struck a chord with you, please like, share, and subscribe to Psyche Bites, where you may strengthen your mind one brief moment at a time.